Nominees for Product Designer are Barry Goralnick of Barry Goralnick Architecture and Design, Kim Salmela of Kim Salmela, Lisa McDennon of Lisa McDennon Design, Rick Janecek of Revelation, and Ron Henderson of Veriluz.
Sadly, we lost Carson.
No, I was just taking a quick nap.
And the envelope, please.
Oh, you're so predictable. Which envelope is it? 34J or 21B?
What are you talking
There
about?
you go, product designer.
Envelopes. You're like, it's
Hey,
like literally.
I don't want to mess this up. It's very
Lucy,
important.
you have some explaining to do. Okay, product designer, and the winner
This
is
is so exciting.
Barry Goralnick. Barry Goralnick Architecture and Design. Accepting is President Barry Goralnick, who I love and is a friend.
Barry is internationally recognized for his work with expressive forms and rich materials, sensuous textures, and distinctive colors. The Manhattan-based architect and designer reinterprets classic elements and shapes to create compelling contemporary designs.
So Thom interviewed me on Instagram a couple months ago, and the whole end of it was like, I love you more. Thank you so much. As Sharon might say, dang, this is really exciting. I really need to thank all the manufacturers I work with who help me realize my vision, and they never say to me, we've never done that before. The creative directors, the engineers, the sales staff, the showrooms, the retail stores, because we all want to sell stuff. And I want to thank my teachers who knew what I could do before I knew what I could do, and my mentors like Jim Druckman in New York. And Keith, my husband, who turns out to be the perfect person to be in lockdown with. I recommend him. And who makes everything look better that comes out of our company. And my parents, who indulged anything I wanted to learn, especially in the arts. I was a weird kid who was possibly an alien, and they were incredibly supportive. And I just like to leave it by saying this is an incredible group, and I feel like we should all pay it forward and teach kids about careers in this industry, especially the weird little aliens, because this is the best industry. And one last thing, our flight was canceled, so if anyone has a great guest room, let us know. With a private bath.